Test if set is a subset, considering the number, multiplicity, of each element in the set. I know I can test if set 1 is a subset of set 2 with. But the following is also true. How do I have it consider the number of times an element in the set occurs so that I know I could do something like but I was wondering if there was something more succinct like set a dot issued set b, count equals true, or a way to stay from list comprehensions. Thanks.
As at DSM deleted his solution, I will take the opportunity to provide a prototype based on which you can expand.
As stated in the comments, a possible solution using counter.
The short answer to your question is there is no set operation that does this, because the definition of a set does not provide those operations. Defining the functionality you're looking for would make the data type not a set. Sets by definition have unique, unordered, members.
Combining previous answers gives a solution which is as clean and fast as possible. No instances created instead of 3 in at a.rodos version. Both arguments must already be of type counter, since this is the Pythonic way to handle multisets. Early return short circuit, as soon as predicate is falsified.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.